Let us learn the sounds that the animals make. Here are the sounds that the animals make. The bear growls grr, 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 grr. The bear growls grr, 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 grr. The fox goes yelp, 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 yelp. The fox goes yelp, 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 yelp. The elephant goes trumpet, 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 trumpet. The elephant goes trumpet, 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 trumpet. Let us learn the sounds that the animals make. Here are the sounds that the animals make. The snake goes hiss, 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 hiss. The snake goes hiss, 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 hiss. The frog goes ribbit, 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 ribbit. The frog goes ribbit, 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 ribbit. The alligator goes grunt, 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 grunt. The alligator goes grunt, 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 grunt. Let us learn the sounds that the animals make. Here are the sounds that the animals make. The bat goes screech, 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 screech. The bat goes screech, 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 screech. The ferret goes dook, 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 dook. The ferret goes dook, 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 dook. The koala goes bellow, 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 bellow. The koala goes bellow, 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 bellow. Let us learn the sounds that the animals make. Here are the sounds that the animals make. The tiger goes growl, 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 growl. The tiger goes growl, 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 growl. The deer goes bell, 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 bell. The deer goes bell, 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 bell. The hyena laughs, ha, 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 ha. The hyena laughs, ha, 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 ha. Let us learn the sounds that the animals make. Here are the sounds that the animals make. The lion goes roar, 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 roar. The lion goes roar, 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 roar. The squirrel goes squeak, 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 squeak. The squirrel goes squeak, 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 squeak. The monkey goes chatter, 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 chatter. The monkey goes chatter, 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 chatter. Let us learn the sounds that the animals make. Here are the sounds that the animals make. The moose goes bellow, 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 bellow. The moose goes bellow, 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 bellow. The hippo goes rumble, 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 rumble. The hippo goes rumble, 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 rumble. The kangaroo goes chortle, 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 chortle. The kangaroo goes chortle, 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 chortle. Let us learn the sounds that the animals make. Here are the sounds that the animals make. The giraffe goes bleat, 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 bleat. The giraffe goes bleat, 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 bleat. The gorilla goes grunt, 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 grunt. The gorilla goes grunt, 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 grunt. The wolf howls a woo. The wolf howls a woo. Let us learn the sounds that the animals make. Here are the sounds that the animals make. The mouse goes squeak, 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 squeak. The mouse goes squeak, 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 squeak. These are the sounds that the animals make. Let us learn the sounds that the birds make. Here are the sounds that the birds make. The chicken goes cluck, 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 cluck. The chicken goes cluck, 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 cluck. The duck goes quack, 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 quack. The duck goes quack, 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 quack. The owl goes tweet, too, woo. The owl goes tweet, too, woo. Let us learn the sounds that the birds make. Here are the sounds that the birds make. The crow goes caw, 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 caw. The crow goes caw, 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 caw. The goose goes cackle, 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 cackle. The goose goes cackle, 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 cackle. The sparrow goes chirp, 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 chirp. The sparrow goes chirp, 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 chirp. Let us learn the sounds that the birds make. Here are the sounds that the birds make. The hummingbird goes hum, 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 hum. The hummingbird goes hum, 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 hum. The vulture goes scream, 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 scream. The vulture goes scream, 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 scream. The cuckoo goes cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. The cuckoo goes cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Let us learn the sounds that the birds make. Here are the sounds that the birds make. The parrot goes squawk, 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 squawk. The parrot goes squawk, 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 squawk. The pigeon goes coo, 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 coo. The pigeon goes coo, 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 coo. The rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Let us learn the sounds that the birds make. Here are the sounds that the birds make. The eagle goes scream, 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 scream. The eagle goes scream, 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 scream. The penguin goes honk, 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 honk. The penguin goes honk, 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 honk. The dove goes cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. The dove goes cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Let us learn the sounds that the birds make. Here are the sounds that the birds make. The lark goes warble, 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 warble. The lark goes warble, 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 warble. The magpie goes chatter, 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 chatter. The magpie goes chatter, 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 chatter. The nightingale goes pipe, 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 pipe. The nightingale goes pipe, 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 pipe. Let us learn the sounds that the birds make. Here are the sounds that the birds make. The ostrich goes boom, 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 boom. The ostrich goes boom, 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 boom. The peacock goes scream, 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 scream. The peacock goes scream, 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 scream. The swan goes honk, 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 honk. The swan goes honk, 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 honk. Let us learn the sounds that the birds make. Here are the sounds that the birds make. The turkey goes gobble, 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 gobble. The turkey goes gobble, 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 gobble. The emu goes drum, 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 drum. The emu goes drum, 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 drum. The crane goes whoop, 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 whoop. goes hiss, 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 hiss. The cockroach goes hiss, 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 hiss. Let us learn the sounds that the insects make. Here are the sounds that the insects make. The fly goes hum, 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 hum. The fly goes hum, 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 hum. The grasshopper goes chirp, 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 chirp. The grasshopper goes chirp, 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 chirp. The mosquito goes whine, 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 whine. The mosquito goes whine, 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 whine. Let us learn the sounds that the insects make. Here are the sounds that the insects make. The beetle goes drone, 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 drone. The beetle goes drone, 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 drone. The butterfly goes click, 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 click. The butterfly goes click, 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 click. The cicada goes chirp, 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 chirp. The cicada goes chirp, 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 chirp. Here are the sounds that the insects make. These are the sounds that the insects make. Let us learn the sound that the farm animals make. Here are the sounds that the farm animals make. The pig goes oink, 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 oink. The pig goes oink, 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 oink. The cow goes moo, 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 moo. The cow goes moo, 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 moo. The hen goes cluck, 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 cluck. The hen goes cluck, 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 cluck. Let us learn the sound that the farm animals make. Here are the sounds that the farm animals make. The cat goes meow, 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 meow. The cat goes meow, 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 meow. The dog goes woof, 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 woof. The dog goes woof, 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 woof. The sheep goes baa, 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 baa. The sheep goes baa, 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 baa. Let us learn the sound that the farm animals make. Here are the sounds that